Right, hello boys and girls. We're going to experiment with some colors today to try and create our own color brown. So if you remember from our slide, I've got our secondary colors and our primary colors. Let's go through our primary colors. So I've put them out already for myself here. So our primary colors are blue and red and yellow. And then our secondary colors are orange and green and a purple that I'm going to mix. I've also got some of my oil pastels over here. And yeah, let's see what happens. So I'm in my little tray. What I need is I'm going to need 2 pieces of paper. I'm going to need my paintbrush. I've got a little painter's palette here that I'm going to put my colors in. I've got some water to clean my brush in. And I also like to use a little bit of kitchen roll just to make sure that my brush is clean. So I'm going to start, boys and girls, with my blue as a primary, my red as a primary, there we go, and my yellow as a primary. Right. Then I've got orange, which is going to go opposite my blue because those are the 2 colors I'm going to mix for brown. My orange. Then I'm going to put my green opposite my red. There we go. It's quite a dark green. And my last one, boys and girls, is to make purple because my purple has run out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix a little bit of blue and a little bit of red to make purple. Here we go. And I'm going to mix yellow and purple to make brown. So let's have a look here. I'm just mixing this for my purple. I think I need a little bit of blue. A little bit more blue to make it purpley. There we go. Right. Mixing, and there's a nice purple color for me. Now, so can you see? It's quite a dark purple. Right, so I'm cleaning my brush now, and yeah, you can even see that there's a lovely purple hue in this water pot here. So, let's make brown. For brown, I'm going to take a little bit of blue and I'm going to add it to my orange. Right. A little bit of blue and I'm going to add it to my orange. A little bit more. And there we've got a lovely shade of brown. A lovely shade of brown. Right, let's clean my brush, boys and girls. Cleaning my brush. Cleaning my brush. Checking that there we go. Now I'm going to mix a little bit of red into my green. There we go. Mix. Oh, that's quite a dark color. I think I'm going to add a little bit of there. It's quite a dark green that I had. I'm going to add a little bit of red to this, boys and girls, because it's quite a dark green pigment. Pigment is the color. So the color that we're working with is green. There we go. Mix. Let's see, Nicholas. It's quite dark. So it's quite a dark brown, almost black. Clean your brush again. And then let's do our last color, which was adding yellow and purple together. So let's add yellow and purple together. And that makes quite a light mustardy brown, as you can see. Okay, boys and girls, if you don't have paint at home, don't worry. You can do it with any of your other mediums like Kokies, roll-ups, and even oil pastels. So here once again, you can see I've got little bits of oil pastels. I've got my primary, which is red, blue, and yellow, and my secondary, which is purple, orange, and green. So let's start please with my blue. So there we go. There's my blue, and I'm going to take my orange to go over it. Let's see if it changes. Does it change? Yes, it does. Then let me take my red. There's my red. And I'm going to put some green on top. It does change, but remember it makes a little bit of a darker brown. Go over with the red again. Let's go over with the green again. And mix it. There we go. And our last one is our yellow and purple. So let's start with our purple. Let's make the yellow on top. And that's a lighter shade, as you can see. Right. And there we have it. Have fun experimenting. Try different combinations. You could try green and red. You can try orange and purple and see what you can get. Put all the colors together. Maybe you get a really dark brown color. Have fun.